Vice President Jojomar Binay has issued a statement in connection with his resignation from President Aquino's cabinet. The Vice President also said that he will be leading the opposition and condemned the administration's defamation of him and his family. In his speech that lasted for about 6 minutes, Binay said that he resigned from the cabinet because he will not allow his programs for the masses to be in vain. He added that he wants an administration which is the opposite of the current. Binay also criticized the administration for oppressing him.
Sa ilalim ng kasalukuyang administrasyon, ako at ang aking pamilya ay pinagkakaisahang siraan, hamakin, gipitin, tanggalin bilang pangalawang pangulo at ipakukulong pa. Ito ay dahil ako ang pangunahing balakid sa kanilang pansariling ambisyon at hangarin.
According to the Vice President, he was persecuted, but the widespread anomalies of the administration party members, such as the Disbursement Acceleration Program, Priority Development Assistance Fund, extortion at the MRT, and what he called the massacre of SAF 44 in Mamasapano, Maguindanao, were allowed.
Ito ang baluktot na hustisya at mamahala ngayon. Ang umiiral ay selective justice. Iba ang hustisya at mga benepisyo ng mga kaibigan at kalyado ng partidong nasa kapangyarihan.
Lastly, the Vice President thanked people who showed trust in him and made a promise that he will not withdraw from the 2016 presidential elections.
Kung ang layunin ninyo ay paatrasin ako sa pagtakbo bilang Pangulo sa 2016, nagkakamali kayo. Hindi ako umaatras sa laban. At lalong hindi ko iiwanan ang ating mga mahihirap na kababayan. Ako po, ang inyong pangalawang Pangulo, si Jojo Binay, taas noong pinagmamalaki ang pagiging tunay na Pilipino sa puso at gawa. At lagi ninyong kasama sa hirap at ginhawa. Ngayon ay namumuno sa oposisyon.